Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we are working on a Maytag freestanding electric range. We are going to show you how to remove and install the terminal block. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear of the unit. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 inch deep well socket. Now that you have unplugged the unit and gained access to the back, first we'll need to remove the plate here. This covers your terminal block as well as wiring. There are 2 screws that hold it in. Push down and pull out. Now, with our back plate removed, we have clear access to our terminal block. A faulty terminal block may cause a no bake or broil situation. The display will not come on, or either your L1 or L2, sometimes even the neutral, may have a no power condition. First, we'll remove your power cord. You need a 3/8 inch nut driver socket. Loosen the 3 nuts that are on here. Be very careful when removing these because sometimes they can strip and it's almost impossible to get them off, especially if they have melted. You don't want to compromise the wires if you can help it. Now, pull out on your terminals for the power cord and slide it through your center port. Next, you'll have 3 more bolts that hold on the wires to it. This is recommended with a deep well socket. Remove your access lines. Next, remove your ground strap from the frame. You'll have 2 Phillips screws that hold in the terminal block. Loosen these and set it aside. When installing your terminal block, first insert one of your Phillips screws in the slot. Get it started so that you have a little bit of wiggle room, but it's not going to fall. Insert your second, lift up, and now we can tighten both of them. Next, we'll insert our ground strap screw. Put back on your terminal lines. The red and the black go on the outer portions of the terminal block, and then your white, your neutral, goes in the middle. It's very important that you connect your white to the middle. Tighten the nuts by hand. Kind of position the wiring so it's not touching your element at all. Next, tighten the bolts with your socket. Now we can reinstall the power cord, slip it through the center slot, The sides are L1 and L2, so it's very important that they get on the outer portions of the terminal block, and your center is your neutral. Do not put your center neutral on one of those lines. It can cause a lot of problems. Once again, hand tighten your nuts. Use your socket to retighten them. Hold on to that center line, because if you twist it too hard, it will turn this wire over toward your heating element. You do not want this to be pressing up on here, as it does get kind of warm. Now we can reinstall your back plate. There are 2 tabs that you insert into the 2 slots of the oven, and then you lift up. So align both sides in the designated slots. Slide up, replace your screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.